Okay, update for week of July 8th. Have some nice squash growing. Planted pumpkin there, they have not emerged yet. We have the potatoes in the tire. Green beans are starting to grow. These are Italian flat. Basil's doing good. The tomato plant needs pruned. Those are Armenian cucumbers. Hi, Toby. I see we're napping in the shade cloth up there. Tomato plant on this side. Bell pepper and some. Those green beans aren't doing well. The eggplant are doing okay. Here's a kitty kitty. I tickle tickle. Okay, he's one of the wild outside cats. I don't see any cucumbers really sitting on there yet. I see blossoms. And the pole beans are climbing fairly well, up about 3 feet. More cucumbers. And the sunchokes. Poor things are starting to look sunburnt. We have cantaloupe. Don't need any more cucumbers. Got plenty. And corn. I think these squash are doing okay. The wind's been blowing hard from the east for the past few days. Yeah, there's some squash. Oh, just stay up. Are you stuck up there? You're not stuck. What? What? How'd you get up there? Did you fall through? No. Leave Toby alone. And not much to show over here other than the poor sunburnt corn. And we have a sugar pine that's starting to pop up out of that pot. No, Sam, you may not chase the cat. That's why you're outside. Zinnias, buttercups, blanket flowers, and the morning glories are using the little fence more than they're using the trellis. But that's the end of this week's show.